Now the black markets, where the credentials, stealers, software are being shared in a dark web economy. This is where hackers combine their work to help one another, and we are not talking about that lone wolf anymore, and where 15 years ago the world was like that, where the threat actors were doing everything in their own small world, but now they are very organized and they are not doing this for recreational purposes anymore. There's an environment where they get together in markets, in channels, and they act like a community. They help one another, they sell things to one another, and now we are facing a Wolfpack as a result. Some of these forums do get brought down, sure, but some of them can stand the test of time. Why? Because they have a structured organization and they have stringent membership policies before you can log in to these pages. For example, exploit forums and the XSS forums, they have a professional atmosphere where they share their various hacking techniques, malware samples, and other proof of concepts for exploits. They have a code of conduct in these web pages as well, where when you pay the price, that log file that you just paid for generally gets taken offline. So this is generally how you can almost protect your brand, by watching the correct forum at the right time to find out if somebody just sold something about your organization and then paying the price for it and taking it offline. That's one of the ways to protect yourselves. So let's continue on. Russian market. We actually started our presentation with this today. Russian market. You can access that page utilizing this interesting page, but you do need a dark web browser, in this case a Tor browser, to then be rerouted to the correct .onion page. As you can see, there's a username password that you need to log in. It's not actually that easy to create that account. Even if you create an account, you need to activate your account by depositing at least $100 to that page utilizing a Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Monero, which seems to be a bit more famous these days in ransomware negotiations. And yet another page, Best Hack Forum, BHF, which is another Russian hacking community. They do have quite a lot of Russian language content on their page. And instead of showing this to you on my presentation, I actually want to show this to you on the dark web itself. So let's dive in with our both hands right now. Going back to our Forensic OSINT page, this is where we left off, the Telegram channel, so I'm going to shut it down. And another question I get often is, can we get access to those Telegram channels without searching for the fresh logs? The answer is yes. After going to tgstat.com, you can search for the term logs. As you can see, all of a sudden, you have quite a lot of logs where you can click on these prime logs, for example, or the Dragon Cloud, or layer text, and generally, accessing one of them is the gateway to accessing the other ones. It's a private channel. You click on this button and now you have a join channel button, and you click open DXG and you can click weave channel, and all of a sudden you are in that channel, as you can see. So another one, Redline Logs, interesting place, open XDG, open, and boom, you are in that page. I clicked on this earlier, that's why it doesn't ask me to join anymore, because I already joined. There you go, and another one. In this case, I'm joining that channel right now. And boom, you can now search that channel. Okay, as you can see, they have quite a number of subscribers, 1,000, 2,000, and I guess the number of subscribers is how they rate themselves. But going back to our topic, in this case, the BHF, let's see how we can browse that one. I'll go to my second desktop here, which is my surface web, so to speak. This is where I have all my links on my GitHub page, as I just described you earlier. Let's find the BHF forums. There you go, bhf.pro. So let's copy that URL, go back to our original desktop, paste that in there. And as you can see, you need to have a login to this page to see its contents. Once you go to the BHF forums, as you can see, you cannot click on the forums anonymously. You need to log in to see anything in it and verify that you are a human by fulfilling this interesting CAPTCHA. Once you log in, and after you click on the forums, You will see the latest posts on this page. As you can see, they are selling access to emails and passwords. It's a pinned entry. And as you can see, there are some other advertisements on what they are selling. There's this dump. You can click on it, see what they are selling, and or go back and perhaps click on this world mix of lobinstalls.bot, which probably gives you even more interesting data. I guess they are allowing to create a botnet by installing and automating some botnet operations. And this is the Telegram channel related to that. They can encrypt the files. They can do interesting other attacks. It's a bot for, I guess, after initial access, doing further operations on your victims. All right, going back to our BHF Pro, as you can see, it's a forum being quite actively used by threat actors. You need to probably know Russian to be able to do business in these pages. Okay, moving on. We just described the BHF. Further Telegram-related advertisements or log file advertisements, fresh ones being available only in purchase, but some samples being made available from a download page as advertised in that link. So if we continue, you can see that there is a rise of initial access brokers, right? And these guys are advanced threat actors who specialize in breaching systems, then cleaning up that stolen information so that they can then sell it to the highest bidder, who can then carry out more extensive cyber attacks. This new breed of threat actors essentially offer a shortcut, if you will, for cyber criminals, which lowers the entry barrier for conducting sophisticated cyber attacks. So this is the evolution of the cyber threats and the requirement for businesses to remain knowledgeable about this fact and adapt to this changing threat ecosystem.